Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I will show you how to make a TikTok video with gallery photos, images and videos. First, open your TikTok app. So you will be taken to this page where you can create videos. You just need to click on this image icon next to the record button right here, and you need to go to photos and you will see all the photos in your gallery. If you click on videos, you will see all the videos in your gallery. So just click on photos and select all the photos you want to keep in your video. Click on next and you will see all the videos. It will give you the preview of TikTok with all the photos you created. So now there are a lot of options you can add to this TikTok. So you can add music here with this icon at the top of the page. Right here you'll be given all the list of songs, music that you can find. If you have any songs in the favorites, you can use that too. If you want other, you can search here too with this search bar. Click on any song and go back. So here you can also add text. If you click on this AA icon, you can choose from various fonts to colors to styles and even alignment. You can change your styles like this. Everything you can do, a lot of stuffs here. So after you're done, click on next and you can just type the caption, and now you can just go ahead and post it with this post button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And that's how you make a TikTok video with gallery photos, images and videos. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.